Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you guys how to create AI emoji with Emoji iOS 18. So let's get started. This is new update from iOS, guys. This is new, as you can see here. To do this emoji, guys, open your messages app and start a new messages, and after that add the plus button, and to bring up the emoji features, type the description for your emoji and you want to create. For example, guys, this emoji T-Rex wearing a Toton surfboard. As you can see here, I want to create like this emoji, and this tool you will review or you generate this emoji, and to create a specific one, create prompt, for example, pink flamingo, and you can create anything you can do, guys, and the general emoji based from AI tools. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content.